Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello. IPOB will support Yoruba group's 1 million man march, says Nnamdi Kanu. Please hit the subscribe button and let's go there. IPOB's leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, has made his intentions known as he said that the group IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra, will support the 1 million march the Yoruba self-determination groups in the Southwest proposed. Earlier, some Yoruba groups in the Southwest have proposed a 1 million march for Oduduwa. He added that IPOB will also stand for all oppressed ethnic groups in Nigeria, after which he called upon all that desire freedom to support it. Meanwhile, the umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination groups, Elana Omo Odua, said the rally, which was scheduled for Wednesday, will be delayed until there had been a consultation with the Yoruba social, cultural, and self-determination groups. The rally is being planned to hold in cities of Ikeja, Ibadan, Akure, Ado-Ekiti, Osun, Ogun, Kogi, and Kwara states, respectively. These areas, and it was scheduled to hold last Wednesday, 24th March, but was postponed because they want to get support first. They want to make sure they got the necessary backing. Their plan is to actualize Yoruba nation sovereignty. And according to the group, they have had meeting with all Yoruba social cultural groups and self-determination groups on. The meeting was to hold on the 27th March, of which after the meeting they will announce a new date for the 1 million march, which was postponed, and possibly that will be next week. However, they also noted that they have declared their freedom from failed Lugadian amalgamation of 1914. Nigeria was amalgamated. The Northern and Southern Protectorate was amalgamated in 1914 by Sir Lord Lugard. They have also declared their freedom from the fraudulent 1999 Constitution of Nigeria. Some people say it is a Fulani constitution. They are not bound by that constitution. According to them, they said the international community, including the United Nations, UN, European Union, EU, African Union, AU, Economic Community of West Africa, ECOWAS, and the government of the United States and United Kingdom have all been notified. Wow. They stated clearly that the Nigerian government has been and is being challenged legally. And because of that, they say they will not engage in any violent acts. When they say this, they mean they will not achieve their liberation with shedding of any blood. They don't plan to shed blood. But they will deploy other materials and intellectual weapons to fight the battle. So they are not using guns. They have started with illegal means. They have contacted the necessary world bodies to look into their case, that they are not planning to shed blood to get what they want. That's what they're trying to say. Yesterday, it was a trending news that certain IPOB ESN personnel were attacked and killed. But the report we just received, Army, IPOB denied report on military attack on ESN camp in Abia. So both the Army and the IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra, are denying that attack. The Nigerian Army and the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, according to reports, they both denied the news making rounds that ESN camp in Abia State was attacked by troops. However, Captain Elia Dauda, who is the Assistant Director, Army Public Relations, the 4th Brigade or Hafia, told reporters that such an operation never happened, and he explained further that unknown gunmen attacked Army checkpoint at Osisioma Junction, Aba, but were turned away by troops. So IPOB also dismissed the report as cheap propaganda, he said. Of course, a more powerful, the IPOB's Media and Publicity Secretary said that there's no ESN camp that was attacked in Abia. He then further alleged that the military men arrested some innocent Igbo young men whom they tagged ESN operatives, and as that, killed them extrajudicially. According to him, the ESN was formidable and could not be easily dislodged by the Nigerian security agencies, adding that they operate in the forest where they are dislodging killer headsmen. So, according to them, there was no such ESN camp. The news making rounds is false. They are in the forest and they are too tactical for the Nigerian Army to be able to, deal with them that way. That's what he said. Captain Dauda, however, argued that the allegation, saying that the alleged photos of cops in the said story were photoshopped. We would have played, but because of its a gory picture, we wouldn't show you. But we saw pictures and videos of people who were killed, and it was alleged these were ESN members, and a lot of people were saying, "Oh, ESN could not protect themselves." But latest reports has confirmed those were not ESN personnel. Some of them could be armed robbers killed by soldiers or defenseless people, and both the soldier, the army, and IPOB are dismissing the claim. So, would the press who reported it know more? What do you think? Add your comment. Tell us what you think. Igbo Kwenu. See what a 13-year-old Igbo boy achieved that made the world to recognize him. American Igbo Ugochukwu, a 13-year-old go-karting star, has signed a long-term deal with McLaren. An Igbo boy, 13-year-old Ugochukwu, has now been signed to McLaren F1 following his recent success as the FIA European karting champion. The 13-year-old Igbo boy breaking records was born on the 13th of April 2007 in New York. This news about this boy breaking records has been going around social media, and many people think that the boy's name is making way for him as he's answering Ugochukwu, which means God's ego. They believe that he is truly God's ego, as God has been paving way for him. History has been made as the 13-year-old Ugochukwu becomes the first Nigerian to win a World Karting Championship and get signed by McLaren to race in Formula 1 when he grows old. Could you imagine that feat? Ugo is the son of a famous model, Oluchi Onwaba. What do you think? This channel celebrates Igbo success, and this is one again. We are proud to identify with Ugochukwu. Please add your comment, viewers. Also click and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. You also click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime it drops. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.